I just thought I'd make a short video on one of my new projects here. I'm working on a 555 backhoe. As you can see, I've already got the bucket off and pulled the head off. Can't see in this dark, but let me see if I can get a light on over here. Some valves hitting on the piston here. I don't know if you can see it. You probably can in that one. So we're going to tear this down. Got to split the machine in half, which is going to be fun because I've never done this before. But I'm supposed to have some help on this. So that's what it's looking like so far. She's in 83. Not too bad a shape. Got my parts all laid out. Some tools around here. And I'm actually in the process of taking the head off the part over here. As you can see, here's the head. Got my brand new Craftsman valve spring compressor because I lost my old one. Not bad for 20 bucks, I guess. Alright. Okay, so I got the valve spring compressor on here. I'm just compress it a couple times here. I'll give it a little tap with a hammer. I'll take a magnet, pull the keepers out. It's pretty simple. Okay, and it's important when you go to take this off that you release it slowly because you don't want this thing shooting across the room. Make sure you properly label everything so it can go back where it can. Supposed to, excuse me. And we'll pull them. So we'll keep them out. Put these in a bag. My keepers in here. Not much of that valve seal. And that's pretty much it. I'm just going to do this for the rest of them. I guess I can start a whole other one right here and show you again. So, stick this on the intake. And loosen the other side up with the pin. Loosen that up a little more here. I'm going to tighten it up. Put a little bit of pressure on it. There we go. Okay, I'll release it nice and easy. And that's all it is to it. Thanks for watching.